STEM, I'm able to see my creations come to life.
There's just so many new opportunities that are out there.
In robotics, we use the 3D printers, we have laser cutters, we have a bunch of saws, and it's a really cool space because you have so much equipment and so many cool things in one location, and it's quite high tech.
I'm currently working on a video classifier model that takes in trail camera footage in the Amazon and classifies all the animals it sees.
We have this club called FTC, or First Tech Challenge, and it's basically a robotics club where we create this robot for this challenge.
I made this phone stand for my dad. I used the bandsaw, the scroll saw, and the laser cutting machine.
It's always worth it to try something new and just to go for an opportunity when it presents itself, just to not skip anything that life might present to you.